All right, let's check out some headlines for today and this week. Sunshine returns and it's out there already. Midweek thunderstorms are possible as we head into tomorrow. The afternoon, some of those could be on the severe side of things. And then we will dry things right back out as we head into the end of the week, into the weekend. So finally, a dry weekend. Still keeping my fingers crossed because we still have a few days away. So hopefully this forecast does not change. Look what's going on in Lutherville Timonium this morning. Absolutely gorgeous. Get out there, play a little golf, anything that you like to do outside, go ahead and do it. Maybe a little bit of tennis today. I see a lot of people skipping work today or leaving early just to get out there and enjoy this sunshine, which we have not seen in so long. Look at the temperatures right now. It's cool out there this morning. These numbers are in the 50s, a low 50s at that, around Westminster and Elkton, around Fredericktown, Edgewood, Timonium. Good morning. In Sykesville, you're at 51 degrees. Good morning to you. Down in Edgewater, that temperature is at 56 degrees. Preston's at 54, along with Centerville, and Oxford, you're coming in at 55 with Millersville this morning. So look what's going on at the surface. We do see some shower and thunderstorm activity along this stationary boundary, but to the north of it, we have high pressure building in, and that high pressure is definitely going to do its thing for us today, and that's why we will be seeing that sunshine. With that said, we will have a new little disturbance that's going to work its way in here as we head towards tomorrow, and that's going to increase clouds, bring us the chance for some scattered showers and some thunderstorms more as we head into the afternoon. I'm not going to rule out maybe a renegade shower in the morning tomorrow, but the thunderstorm activity will happen as we head more towards the afternoon. And once again, some of those thunderstorms could be on the strong to severe side. Storm Prediction Center does have us in a marginal risk, a level 1 in the green coloring and a level 2 in the yellow coloring. Biggest threats for us will be damaging gusty winds out there. So today, oh yeah, I'm thinking pool maybe. We haven't gotten really to do that because we haven't seen so much sunshine. So we will have that sunshine out for a while today. So hopefully you can take advantage of it. The temperature by lunchtime today coming in right around 72. If you don't want to do the pool, maybe eat the lunch outdoors today. 77 degrees by 3 o'clock. That's going to be the high temperature. And as we head towards 6 o'clock this evening, maybe a patio night, do a little bit of grilling, still looks good. Stick around. I'll have that 7-day forecast for you in a matter of moments. But now let's go check the traffic with Lauren.
Thanks, Lynette. And following delays on 95, there was an early